In the world of print on demand, if you're still relying solely on static images to sell your products, you're basically whispering while everyone else is going loud. Look at the screen right now. This is not a complex animation that took hours in professional software. This instead was created instantly, directly on the same canvas where I designed the graphic. Today I'm showing you how to reach millions and stop the scroll using this brand new Kittl video feature. We're gonna take a winning design idea, build it from scratch, and then bring it to life with motion so you can dominate social media and scale your sales faster than ever before. This is the end of the steep learning curve for animation, and it starts right now. First, I wanna show you exactly how I built this video, and then I'll break it down step by step, and we can even build one together. So I made the video you saw at the intro by simply using, believe it or not, a Kittl template to start. So if you guys weren't aware, you can find templates by simply logging into Kittl, and I'll put my link below. Then on the left-hand side, go ahead and click templates. And I would recommend, if you're using this for print on demand like I am, go ahead and maybe click merchandise and then click t-shirts if you're looking for t-shirt design ideas. Now you also have the ability to simply search for whatever it is you're looking for. If you type in dog, you're gonna get dog related templates, as you saw me using right here, love, coffee, and dogs. So what I did is I left the design as is, and I said, let's add a smartboard. And this smartboard, I said, create a male model wearing a white t-shirt with this design on it. And boom, that was the output. Next, I said, let's add a new smartboard, and simply said, change his t-shirt to a hoodie. Then I added a video, and then I selected the first smartboard and I clicked add video board. When you do that, it'll send that static image to the video board, but then you're gonna want to select your second smartboard, and you see the dot over here to the side. If you click that, you're then able to connect it with AI images, mockups, or AI video now. So I went ahead and I simply dragged that dot down here to the video and connected it that way. When you use this approach, it will pull in both of them that you can select as the start frame and the end frame, and you also have the ability to provide instructions on what the AI video editor should do with these static images. So in this case, I said transition him from wearing a t-shirt to wearing a hoodie, and you guys already saw the end result. Pretty cool, huh? So what do you say we go through the whole process together step by step, starting with this pre-made Kittl template where it says chill vibes beachside, and it's got a puppy looking like he's having the time of his life. I'm gonna go ahead and use this template. I've already got it opened up right here. First thing I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna create a new artboard, and then I'm gonna grab the dog and bring him over here. And then what I'm gonna do is add a smartboard. I'm gonna ask it to change the dog to a Chihuahua, generate. And there's the Chihuahua we asked for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna flatten this image, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy it, and I will bring it back over here to our original board where I will remove the background in one click over here on the sidebar behind me. Click remove background, and boom, we are good to go. Chill vibes beachside. Then I'm gonna right click and I'm going to send to the back. That way he is not getting in the way of the text. You do want the text to be easy to read. So that is exactly what I had in mind. Maybe if I was gonna make one other thing, I might say chi vibes instead of chill vibes. Chihuahua owners will get that joke. All right, and the next thing I wanna do is let's turn it into a mockup. All right, all you have to do, go up here to the top of the smartboard and click add smartboard. Now from here, what I'm gonna do is not have it overlapping on top of our other image. Bring it down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and prompt it. I'm gonna say create a female model wearing a hoodie with this design on it and have her walking her pet Chihuahua on a leash at the beach. Generate. And right on cue, we've got our mock-up of the hoodie being worn by a girl at the beach walking her Chihuahua. The only thing we need to do next is click add video board, where we can tell it to add motion, okay? And I've actually already done this, so we don't need to wait. I will show you. After asking it to add motion, it did just that, and now you've got the animated girl walking her dog wearing our design, our newly created design with the Chihuahua customization on the beach. How impressive was that? And it took minutes to create. By the way, you can do this for an entire brand. Check this out. We've got a fictitious streetwear brand here behind me. We've got hats, we've got t-shirts, we've got jeans, we've even got tote bags, all right? We've got accessories. This is really impressive, and it all started with this logo and this board over here on the left-hand side. From there, it's all just smart boards. You can actually click and see, we said, apply the provided design onto the front panel of a washed streetwear cap. And from there, you add the additional smartboard from that output, use the reference image, change it into an editorial portrait shot from a slightly top-down camera angle, right? It's the same female model. Then they say, using that image, use the reference cap as a standalone product. I mean, how cool is that, right? If you zoom out, you can see they generated the t-shirt, the jeans, the bag, and then they use these smartboards where they combine multiple static frames into single outputs using that same female model that was originally an AI output. And if you thought you couldn't take it further from there, well, guess again, because we were able to use a prompt and feed in multiple images into this prompt. You can actually see right here how that worked and provide specific instructions for generating this video. You can see under the prompt, it says actions 0 through 1 second. The model stands centered and is still facing forward. 1 through 6 seconds, the model slowly rotates clockwise in place, completing one full 360-degree rotation and returns to facing the camera. The back of the tote bag should be plain and doesn't have a design. This is where technology and AI is headed. You can start with a mere logo and then build out the entire streetwear brand in minutes using AI prompting with smartboards here in Kittl, and then finally feeding it into an AI-powered video board. The game has officially changed. The difference between a design that gets scrolled past and one that gets a click often comes down to that emotional sensory connection that only motion can provide. You just watched me move from a blank canvas to a high converting video asset without ever leaving the design flow or exporting a single file. So if you're ready to stop whispering and go loud with your brand, I've got a promo code in the description that'll save 25% off your Kittl subscription. So click the link below to start using Kittl Video today and bring your designs to life. And I'll see you at the next video.